Remembering this is going to help you get rid of your fear of confrontation. Or if it doesn't get rid of your fear, at least it's going to help you confront people despite your fear of confrontation. Because yes, confrontation can feel very uncomfortable. But here's the thing. Once you do it, once you're done confronting the person, it feels good, or at least it can feel good if you remind yourself that you did the right thing. You pushed through despite the discomfort because it was the right thing to do. And you did something that proved to yourself that you respect yourself, okay? Because, yes, it can be uncomfortable, but that's completely irrelevant as to whether or not you should do it. Like, oh no, it feels uncomfortable. I don't want to do it. What kind of thinking is that? It's just, again, just like going to the gym. Like, you're not going to say, oh yeah, I don't want to go to the gym because it feels uncomfortable. Who cares? That is not an adult way of thinking about it. So it's the same thing with confrontation. Just remember that. It's going to make you more likely to do it, to have that difficult conversation. And then remember that once it's over so you can just feel proud of yourself and you'll be stronger.